Magandang araw pa rin po sa ating mga kamat-talino at kamat-tiyaga. So ngayon po ay ipagpapatuloy lamang natin ang ating pag-aaral about rational inequalities using inspection of signs method. So ulit po, ang ating pong rational inequalities ay an inequality involving rational expressions. So at this point po ay magpuproceed na tayo sa ating example number 2. Okay? So, meron po tayong given na rational inequality. Ano po yung ating inequality? X plus 1 over x plus 3 less than or equal to positive 2. So, dito naman po, dahil hindi 0 yung ating left side, ililipat po muna natin. So, from positive 2 will become negative 2. And then 0 na po yung ating right side. So, next po, dahil meron po tayo ditong x plus 1 over x plus 3 minus 2, kailangan po natin kunin ng LCD. So, anong magiging LCD nito? X plus 3. X plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1 times x plus 1. And then, negative 2 times x plus 3. Ayan, times x plus 3. Okay? Next, 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. Okay? All over x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. And then combine the similar term. Meron na po tayong x minus 2x is negative x. Positive 1 times negative 6 is negative 5. And then over x plus 3. So, ang next step na po natin is to find the critical values for both numerator and denominator. Ang atin pong numerator ay negative x minus 5, okay, equals 0. So, negative x from negative 5 will become positive 5. And then divide both sides by negative 1. So, negative x divided by negative 1 is positive x. And then, 5 divided by negative 1 is negative 5. So, ito po ang ating critical values sa numerator. Sa denominator naman po, equate x plus 3. Yan, x plus 3 equals 0. So, from positive 3, it will become negative 3. So, yan na po ang ating magiging test value. Okay? So, using our number line, ipa-plot lang po natin yung ating, yan. So, ito po ang ating negative 3 at yan naman po ang ating negative 5. So, gamit po tayo ng table for our step 5, para matest natin yung bawat interval, inspect natin yung signs sa tatlong intervals na to ng negative x minus 5 and x plus 3. Okay? So, less than negative 5 po muna. So, meron pong or equal tayong makikita because negative 5 is value of x. Why po? Kasi when we will substitute positive 5, the answer is 0 and 0 is equal to 0. Okay? So, merong or equal. Pero ang negative 3 po ay wala. Because kapag sinubstitute natin ng negative 3 sa ating inequality, no, it will become undefined. Okay? So, wala siyang or equal. Yung negative 5 lang. Okay? So, itetest po natin yung less than negative 5, between negative 5 and negative 3, and greater than negative 3. So, ano-ano po ba yun? Ating gagamitin, meron tayong negative x minus 5 sa numerator, yung ating x plus 3 sa denominator, at yung ating whole expression. Okay? So, ano-ano yung less than negative 5? Huwag na tayong lumayo, gamitin natin ang negative 6. Ano yung between negative 5 and negative 3? Gamitin natin ang negative 4. Greater than negative 3, let us use 0. Okay? So, negative 6, substitute lang po natin sa x yung lahat ng value ng x dito. Okay? So, negative 6 minus 5 is negative times negative 6 is positive 6 minus 5 is positive. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So, that is negative. Positive times negative is negative. Okay? Negative times negative 4 is positive 4 minus 5 is negative. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1, so negative. Negative times negative is positive. Okay? Next, 0. 0 minus 5 is negative. 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is positive. Okay? Negative times positive is negative. So, dahil po less than ang ating symbol dito, So, pipiliin po natin yung may answer na negative. Okay? Kasi lahat ng real numbers na less than are negative numbers. Okay? So, titingnan natin dito, madidetermine natin, ayun po sa taas, ano po ba yung isang may negative sign tayo? X is, so solution set natin, real numbers where x is less than or equal to negative 5. Ito po yun. Union of x is greater than negative 3. Okay? Or if sa interval set po natin isusulat, negative infinite kasi less than negative 5, lahat ng negative. Negative 5 bracket because negative 5 is value of x. Union of, parenthesis lang yung negative 3 dahil hindi siya value ng x. Up to positive infinite. So, pag in-graph natin yan, shaded po yung ating negative 5, yung negative 3, hindi po. So, nasaan yung ibang value ng x natin? Less than negative 5 and greater than negative 3. Okay? So, that's all. I hope you really understand on how we're going to find the solution of our rational inequality. So, once again, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.